I was gifted this. It's like a suitcase for makeup, and we're going to unbox it. All of my stuff in this incredible. Ooh, look at this. Let's see how it looks. Wow. Ta-da! It comes with, oh, more bags. Look at this. With all different compartments. Love it. And then you can see it's detachable. So you can have this, like this. And then we have here our wheels. Keys to keep everything nice and secure. This is going to go higher. And look how spacious it is in the inside, this bottom part. I'm obsessed with how much it holds. It's designed for makeup artists, nail techs, hairstylists, or honestly, anyone who loves staying organized like myself. What I love most is that it's completely customizable. You can use all 5 sections together or separate them depending on what you need for the day. It even comes with an extra top. There's plenty of room for makeup, brushes, skincare, nail supplies, hair tools, and even larger products. It also came with this extra bag that has all these compartments that makes it perfect for organizing hair accessories, jewelry, or even more makeup. And you can hang it right in the back. I love that the top part, when I open it up, it really expands well. So I'm able to see everything at a glance. I have officially outgrown my makeup bag because now I have this 5-in-1 rolling makeup train case, and I'm obsessed. 5-in-1 customizable storage design, 360 swivel wheels for easy mobility, lockable compartments for added security, spacious enough for makeup, hair tools, nail supplies, you name it. Durable aluminum frame with an adjustable handle. Highly recommended. I love it.